Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elina Midikira for those of you who are new here, and for those of you who are returning to watch me, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So on today's video I'll just be cleaning the dishes and the kitchen. Yesterday we had a family gathering and we were so tired, we didn't do anything that night. So this is the next morning and I'm just cleaning the dishes. But first I want to put tea for it to start cooking as I continue washing the dishes, because in the next 1 hour or so I want to leave and go run some errands. So you continue watching, guys, and if you like this, please like it and comment if you can, subscribe if you haven't, and share me out if you can. I will really appreciate that.
Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock sway, time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat, my friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease, it's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink, a single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance one night to dance away under the bright moonlight, take it lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night, one night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the films describe. Oh, but it's only for the night. Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock sway, time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat, my friends call it all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease, it's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink, a single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance one night to dance away under the bright moonlight, take it lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night, one night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the films describe. Oh, but it's only for the night.
So guys, I'm just clearing space for me to place the cups that I'll be washing, because I usually start to wash with cups first. That's how I was taught. I don't know for you guys what you start with, but for me I start with cups, because I don't want to mix my cups with plates, because usually the plates are always oily. Most of the time they're always oily. So that's why I'm clearing the space. I start with them and that's it. My cousin was just telling me if I will finish washing these dishes, because there were so many. The dishes were so many. You will see for yourselves. So I've just cleared my space for placing the cups, and this part that I'm washing right now is where I'll be putting the dishes for the water to drain. And then I remembered there was a lady. She was so mad that I'm not using running water to wash my dishes, and again after cleaning them I am putting them just there on the top of the surface. Please, we are in Kenya and we are in Nairobi. We pay for water, every unit we pay for it, so I can't use running water just because you want me to wash with running water. I'm going with my pockets. If you'll pay for my water, then I'll be happy to wash with running water. If you'll buy me something to put my dishes inside, I will be very happy to buy it and put inside. But for now, this is what I can afford and this is what I will go with. I can't live how you want me to live. I will live according to my pockets. Thank you, lady, if you watch this. Pay my water and then I'll wash with running water. Buy me that thing to put my dishes in and I will gladly put it in. Thank you.
So you see, and I need a grease. It's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink. A single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance. One night to dance away under the bright moonlight, taking lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night. One night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only for the night. Late July with the sun up high, the cicadas sing as the weeks drop by. I read all day in a hammock, sway time like molasses and melts away. Need to beat the sleepy sweet heat. My friends call it, all like to meet it. So you see, and I need a grease. It's a dinner under the olive trees. The brittle clink, the deep red drink, the cocktail chatter in silver ink. A single glance, summer romance, an evening entirely up to chance. One night to dance away under the bright moonlight, taking lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night. One night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only
So guys, at this point I was wishing that at least in real life you could just fast forward while washing. These utensils were too many. I wish I could just fast forward in real life and finish because I was almost late. I was to go to some office and the office was to be closed at around 12, yeah, and it was almost 11 and I'm not even ready. I'm just rushing to finish washing the dishes.
moonlight, taking lost in the magic of your eyes. Oh, but it's only for the night. One night, within a moment everything collides. It's all exactly how the film's described. Oh, but it's only for the night. Oh, one night I wake up and blink open both my eyes. All I see are the pastel colored skies. I guess there never was a night. It seems that it was nothing but a summer dream. I fell asleep under the sunshine beams. Then again, there's always tonight.
So this is how much I have washed. Just see the way they are many. And this is how much I am remaining with. And I have like 30 minutes to finish and also get ready to go. That's my cousin. And yeah, so I'll just finish this off the camera and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.